back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review a new chocolate that I found in the supermarket today, which is a Hershey's Exotic Dark Chocolate. So this is a Hershey's Exotic Dark Chocolate with Pomegranate Flavored Center Chocolate. So today we are going to review this chocolate from Hershey's. So let's get down to the review. So guys, first of all, let's look at the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a nice plastic pouch. It's a brown color pouch here, and here's a Hershey's branding right on top. Then Exotic Dark is the name of the brand or the product that they have. Pomegranate flavored center chocolate this is. And right here we can see the illustration of the chocolates, and here they are shown some pomegranate as well dipped in chocolate. So you can see this. Now moving on to the back side of the pack, here again is a Hershey's Exotic Dark branding. Here again they are shown the chocolate here with pomegranate. It's an exotic combination, extraordinarily delicious. We believe you shouldn't have to compromise on amazing taste. That's why Hershey's Exotic Dark is deliciously crafted with an intriguing combination of smooth dark cocoa rich chocolate and exotic fruit flavor like pomegranate. This heavenly mix gives you an extraordinarily delicious taste in every bite. Like every piece of art, it can't be explained. It needs to be experienced. So such a wonderful words here given here, and I can't wait to try it out after reading this. Okay, so on the other hand, there are the ingredients here. The center is 55% sugar, liquid glucose, fruit pulp is 9.9% fruit pulp, which 9.7% is papaya, pomegranate is just 0.2. Now this is saddening. They are branding it and promoting it to be a pomegranate center flavored and all of that. And when you read the ingredients here, it says 9.7%, 9.9% is fruit pulp. Okay, 9.9% of the entire chocolate is fruit pulp, of which 9.7% is papaya, whereas pomegranate is 0.2% of that 9.9%. So it's so low right now. It's very little pomegranate. So I am not I can't even think about that there will be some pomegranate flavor in it. Then there are stabilizers. Now chocolate, which is 45% of the total chocolate, is 45%, which is sugar, cocoa solids, or around 30% are cocoa solids. Cocoa butter is there, milk solids are there. There are emulsifier, liquid glucose, stabilizers, edible common salt, and glazing agents. Okay, this thing contains permanent synthetic food colors and added flavors, nature identical and artificial flavoring substances like vanilla and green apple. Okay, the shelf life is 12 months of the product, and the net weight is 33.3 grams. And coming to the price of the product is priced at rupees 55. So the MRP of this product is 55. So that's all the information available right here. So let's go ahead and open the Hershey's Exotic Dark Pomegranate Flavored Chocolate, which has just 0.2% pomegranate in it. Here they are given a place to tear, so we are going to tear the packaging here, and here we go, it's open. Okay, first of all, let's count how many chocolates do we get inside. So here there are these chocolate balls inside. This is how it looks, guys. Small round chocolate balls. Here you can see small round chocolate balls, and we have a total of 11 chocolate balls here. There are 11 chocolate balls right now that I have got here. So I'll just count it out for you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So a total of 11 chocolate balls. Let's go ahead. Look at this. This is chocolate ball right here. I can't break it with my hand, definitely. I'll just take a bite of it, and let's see what's in the center. Okay, in the center, again there's cocoa filling only, it feels like. A little fruity flavor. This is how the center looks. Okay, let's go ahead and do a taste test. Amazing dark chocolate flavor. with a bit of fruity flavor inside. This fruity flavor is similar to that of that tutti frutti that you get in breads and cakes. It's that kind of a fruity flavor, because definitely there's papaya. The fun fact, the tutti frutti that everybody loves is made from papaya, raw papaya. Yeah. So very little flavor of pomegranate in it. It has a fruity flavor but not pomegranate flavor in it. Some little flavor of pomegranate comes. But yeah, overall the taste is good. But if you are looking for pomegranate flavor, this isn't the chocolate that you should go for, because there's no pomegranate flavor in it. Definitely there's some fruity flavor which tastes like tutti frutti, but not pomegranate flavor. So overall review, I'd say it's a good chocolate. Dark chocolate is good from Hershey's, but they have promoted it wrongly as saying it pomegranate, and then the ingredient says that just 0.02% is pomegranate pulp, which is you can say like you're promoting something which is very in minute proportions in a chocolate. So anyways guys, overall I kind of like the chocolate, not bad. I wouldn't say it tasted bad, it was good, but it didn't have the pomegranate taste in it, right? When you're buying a chocolate which says pomegranate flavored center, then you're expecting it to have some pomegranate flavor in it, so which I didn't find in this chocolate. So hence I'm going to rate it a 3 on 5, because the dark chocolate was good, the center was tasty, but it didn't have pomegranate flavor. So that's the reason for the 3 rating here. So guys, if y'all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.